Section 11-3, Part 3, Finding Measures of Interior Angles of Triangles. What are the measures of the angles of triangle JKL? Well, you see that angle J's measure is 2x minus 14. It's not given just as a whole number, it's given as an algebraic expression. Angle K is 3x plus 10, and angle L is x minus 2. Since we have a triangle, I already know that the measure of angle J plus the measure of angle K plus the measure of angle L is equal to 180 degrees. Now that's what I already know before I ever even start working this problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to take their algebraic name and substitute it in for the measure of angle J. All right, angle J is 2x minus 14, plus the measure of angle K is 3x plus 10, plus the measure of angle L is x minus 2. But still, all of those angles should add up to 180 degrees. Now we need to combine like terms. We have an equation. I need to combine all the like terms on the left side of my equal sign. 2x plus 3x is 5x, plus that 1x, remember there's a 1 in front of that x. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6x. I added all three of these x's together, 2x plus 3x plus 1x. Now let's add my constants. Negative 14, use the sign in front of the number. Negative 14 plus 10, that's negative 4. Negative 4 minus 2 is negative 6. Use your calculator if you have to. That's fine. Negative 14 plus 10, you would have got negative 4. Minus 2 was negative 6. Continue solving for x. Add 6 to both sides. You want to get the variable by itself. The 6's cancel. You get 6x equals to 186. Last, divide both sides by 6. Solving for x, divide both sides by 6. So x is equal to 31. 6 divides into 186 31 times. Now we have been asked to find the measure of angle J, the measure of angle K, and the measure of angle L. Angle J's measure was 2x minus 14, K's was 3x plus 10, and L's was x minus 2. Now that we know the value of x, we will substitute in 31 in for x in each one of these algebraic expressions to find the exact degree value. So let's plug in 31 here. I have 2 times 31 minus 14. Well, use your calculator. 2 times 31 gives you 62 minus 14. I end up with 48. So the measure of angle J is 48. Now let's find the measure of angle K. Plug in 31 in for x. Now that's 3 times x. That's 3 times 31 plus 10. Well, 3 times 31 is 93, plus 10 is 103. Again, do that on your calculator. 3 times 31 plus 10 is 103. And then last, we have x minus 2. We need to substitute in x as 31. So I have 31 minus 2 gives me 29. Excuse me. Now to check this, let's add all three of these angles up because we should get 180. So punch in your calculator and double check your work. 48 plus 103 plus 29 is 180. Therefore, our answer is correct. Angle J is 48, K is 103, and L is 29. So going back, we substituted in 2x minus 14 for the measure of angle J, 3x plus 10 for the measure of angle K, and x minus 2 for the measure of angle L. We knew that all three of those added up to give us 180. So I set an equation, added all these up, combined like terms, equal to 180. And I solved for x, but x is not your answer. you had to go back and plug in x as 31 into each one of these and to determine your final answer for each angle.